Hello guys, welcome to SS Studio and I'm your mentor Sanyukta Singh. So today I'm uploading this PI mock session of MFM and M Design which I had conducted with few stranger students which I had got through my YouTube channel. So do watch this video till the end so that you grab some knowledge about it. So let's start. So hi, hello, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. What is your good name? More introduction about yourself. Please give me your more introduction.
Yes. My name is Mansi Mishra Avasthi.
Yeah.
I'm from Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh. I
Okay.
did my graduation in fashion designing from Inverness University, Bareilly.
Okay.
After that, I did a short-term diploma in graphic designing from Arena Animation, Lucknow.
Okay.
And after completing my graduation, I started working as a freelance designer in a rental store.
Okay.
Talking about my family background, my father is an advocate. His name is Sri Om Mishra, and my mother is a homemaker. Her name is Mrs. Mamta Mishra. My
Yeah.
husband is a businessman as well as farmer. His name is Prashant Avasti.
Great, you're
And
married.
yes,
Very
and
good.
in future, I want to run my own sustainable brand because my family background is associated with agriculture. So I believe sustainability can be directly linked with agriculture as well.
Yeah, very
Thank you.
good thought, very good thought process. I would like to say, like, working on sustainable design is something the world needs today, actually.
Yes.
So, I would love to tell you that about your background, you have a plus point that you belong to a designing background. ठीक है.
Yes.
So, one major question I would love to ask you, then, are you like appearing for MFM?
Yes, ma'am. I'm preparing for Masters of Fashion Management.
So why MFM and why not MDes?
Ma'am, MDes is more about research and product design technology, and MFM is more about marketing skills and financial, learning marketing and financial skills. As I told you that I want to launch my own brand.
Yeah.
So this is a field that would allow me to don many hats like retailing, marketing, merchandising, e-commerce. And plus the curriculum of MFM is designed in a way that, as I told you, I want to work with agriculture. My area is in Tarai Belt, which is one of the most fertile land of India. So there is abundance of bamboo production. So there is an idiom called textile sourcing and manufacturing. So that would help me to learn how to take fiber, how to make the journey from fiber to fabric.
Organic cotton and fibers. Yeah. So, one more
Yes.
question on that behalf. Why are you choosing NIFT?
Actually, ma'am, I was very dedicated. I always wanted to join NIFT as I've not applied in any other college. Uh, NIFT, we all know it was established in 1986, and since then it has carried that legacy of teaching and promoting fashion in India. And the curriculum of NIFT, like there is IDM, interdisciplinary minors, deepening specializations, general electives that offers and nurtures the need of fashion in management, technology, and designing as well. Plus, the alumni base of NIFT is very strong. There's Devanshu Datta, who is the owner of Third Eyesight, and he's doing very well. There's Gautam Sinha, who is promoting Indian vintage product by his brand Napa Dori at international level. So these are the things that attracts me towards NIFT.
Very good to know this. And tell me, do you have any experience? Like, आपने कहीं पे काम किया होगा and any experience?
Actually, I do not have any professional experience because I got graduated in 2017, and in that year I got married. So
Okay.
that marriage brought me to a small town known as Shahjahanpur. But I started designing for a rental store, so it was a client-based job.
Oh, that's
Like
why you were
I have to,
that's why you
yeah,
were freelancing, I guess. Yeah.
yeah. But that was the best that I could do in that town, so I could connect with the creative field as well.
So it's very good to hear on your part and my part even that you are after marriage you're moving towards designing again and you want to do masters even. So that is very much appreciating and also inspiring. So very good. And talking about like what will be your contribution to fashion field and after completion of this MFM. So I think you are going to answer like since you will be working on your business. So is that the field you will be contributing there only or somewhere else?
Ma'am, I'm from Pilibhit. It is a city that manufactures flute
Yeah.
to India. There's bamboo production. People are involved in a handicraft industry of flute making. So that industry is now like a sunset industry. Due to lack of resources and technology, the people are not involved in that industry. So I would like to revive the handicraft because NIFT works with various craft clusters as well. So if there are two ways, I would like to work with handicraft industry as well. And later, if I run my own brand, I will run my own brand.
Yeah.
Then I would love to give lectures on sustainability, guest lectures on sustainability. And yes, I'll provide internship to students as well.
Very good confidence, I must say. And I would like to know what is the fabric which you are wearing?
Yeah, this is Kasavu cotton from Kerala. It is a heritage textile, like it is unbleached, undyed. So we should learn from them as well. They carry their clothing with so much of pride, and yeah, I like that's why I'm wearing this.
Very good.
I prefer handloom products.
Okay, so that brings one more question, which is what kind of clothing brands and what kind of personally which brands like you love to shop, like
Ma'am,
yeah.
yeah. Honestly, I wear Western as well. I wear ethnic. Both the things I wear because I'm married. There are times you have to wear ethnic as well as Western. So if you talk about Western, there is no complete sustainable brand. So I shop from Van Heusen for formals.
Okay.
And when ethnic is like I sometimes shop from Global Desi, but that is not one of my favorite brands. So ethnic, I like something which is very handloom made or handicraft associated product.
So do you know anything about our current textile minister?
Yeah, she's Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani.
Yeah, tell me something about her.
She was the education minister before this ministry. She held that ministry, but due to some issues, she was given an textile ministry, and she is holding a ministry known as Women and Child Development. So she is. I really like about her that she wears handloom products. She promotes patola sari.
Yeah.
She wear Fab India products, which is again organic brands. So yeah, she's doing well, but
Yeah, actually, this
yeah,
is what India needs now. Actually,
yes,
moving from the Western clothing and promoting our Indian handicrafts and Indian handloom, which is very, very much important. So, very good to hear all those things, all those points from you. Lastly, I would like to ask you one simple question. What do you think is the role of a product manager in your eyes? Tell me.
ma'am, product manager is the person who checks the design language of a product, how the design language will be interacted with the customer. For example, you have a brand portfolio, so product manager plays a very important role in taking out the design language from a product. If there, for example, the KFC, or the McD, there are a role of colors because red color generates hunger. So he will also look after that the product is associated with his brand portfolio, so
Okay.
that they should work on brand psychology and the customers are happy.
Okay. So, one simple question again for you. Like, tell me your favorite color.
White is my favorite color.
And I would love to know the attributes of white.
Ma'am, in India, there are two concepts. Some people believe that white is a very bad color for married women, but I do not believe this because you can go south, you can go Bengal. White complements red in Bengal, and white complements golden in gold color in Kerala. So white is a color of purity and pride for me. you have to preserve that fabric or white color like your own family member or your own baby. So I really
So
like
in short, this all color thing depends on the psychology of people, है ना?
yeah,
The
it's how
cultures and the
you
psychology.
perceive
Yeah,
things.
how we perceive. Yeah, very good to hear that. So I hope you will do best in your future and best of luck. So you'll be hearing from us soon. Bye bye, Mansi. I'll
Thank
let you
you.
go.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay. So hi, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. So tell me your name.
My name is Lori Das, and I'm currently in Bangalore.
Firstly, tell me the meaning of Lori. Tell me.
Lori is the Lori you know. It's the lullaby, the song that's sung for kids.
Oh, okay, very good. Fine. So, okay, tell me something about your education background.
Okay, so I'm actually from Orissa, but I've never stayed there. So because of my dad's job, we've always shifted. So I've started my education from Hyderabad. Then we moved to Nasik, and now for my graduation, I've been studying in Bangalore. So I was studying in Mount Carmel College, Bangalore, and I've done my BSc in Economics and Statistics.
Okay, okay, fine. So, why do you want to switch your field towards designing?
So, fashion actually I was interested in. It was my initial plan to pursue fashion, anything related to fashion during my undergraduation. But I think my I kind of agree with it. Also, my family thought it's a little unpredictable, the whole profession. So my second backup was economics. Those were my only two interests. So then I chose economics, and now I was sure I wanted to do it.
So, do you think it is predictable now, like after doing
I think
MFM?
MFM, because it has a little more of the management part, is more predictable than designing or things like that. That's what I feel. So yeah.
So, I think you have somewhat a little misconception about designing. Perhaps it will be cleared. So, tell me one more thing. Like, what are you wearing today? Like any brand
I
or
am wearing this formal top. It's a shirt. It's from Zara.
okay? And so you're brand conscious.
Not really. I mean, I just keep a keen eye on whatever is available. It doesn't really matter if the brand is a known brand or not, but as long as I like it and it looks good, I go for it.
Okay. Tell me one thing. Why National Institute of Fashion Technology? Why not any other institute? You want to apply MFM for?
So, like I told you, my two interests were economics and fashion. So, National Institute, like we know, is obviously the best in the whole country. So, I had decided if I get in, I mean, if I'm going to apply, I either apply to the best or I'll just continue with what I was doing and go with economics. So, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, if you can tell me, how will you contribute to the fashion field after completion of this MFM?
So, after my course, obviously, I look forward to gaining experience with a few good renowned names and people. I would like to work for a few people first to gain like the industry knowledge. And then I think I would want to, I mean, I have this plan that I want to have a known brand of mine. So I have plans for that. So I hope, I mean, I'm wishing that this degree helps me with that.
Okay, then that took me to another question. Like, how can you work on launching your brand in the market? What are the principles of that? Like, I believe that you are from economics field, okay? So you must
True.
have knowledge of business studies too. Like, maybe you're from commerce field also. Huh?
Yeah.
So, what are the principles of like how can you launch your own brand in the market? What principles you're going to work upon?
So I believe to have an own brand, your brand needs to be more unique than everything that's already existing in the market. Like, for example, now we're talking about fashion. So we know that there are a lot of brands, there are n number of brands. So what makes my brand stand apart from all the other brands is the fact that I should be unique. So that is number one. So my products, whatever I launch, whatever is there out in the market, there has to be some differentiation point which
And how are
discriminates
you
me.
gonna do that?
So that what I need to find out, I'll find out through maybe a market survey or like researching the market. I need to know what my consumers want. I need to know my target consumers, so and their price points. So that's how I'll know
Yeah, this
what
is
I
how
want to
you can
create.
do. And do you think geographical indications do matter when you're launching your brand?
Yeah, I think geographical indications are a major part of what product or how you market your brand, because a geographical location will matter to people. I mean, that'll tell you what people want and what not. Like for a cold region, I cannot produce clothes that are being used at the beach.
Yeah.
And second, it'll also determine my availability of my resources and my costs and all of that. That's from the business side of.
Okay, fine. So since you are not from the fashion background, perhaps आपको इतनी knowledge नहीं होगी like what are the keywords, basic keywords of fashion. But again, मैं बहुत ही basic एक fashion कुछ terms की बात करूँगी. Tell me if you know them. Do you know what is basic fabric or gray fabric?
No, I'm sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, no problem. Do you know what is silhouettes?
Silhouettes are no.
It's okay.
I mean, I know, but like I'm not able to. Maybe the shape or the flow of your garment.
That is draping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
It's okay. Cool down. So, tell me about your favorite color.
Right now, I like purple and black.
Okay, and why black?
Black, I think it's a color that makes everything look a little more richer, and it's a little eye-catching. Like even if you have black as a whole, or if you pair it with any other color, it usually goes with all other colors. But yeah, it's eye-catching, and I think it is a color that is used to depict power, and yeah, that's why.
But at the same time, it dominates too. But it's okay. It's your
It
perception, and it's your color psychology. That's nothing that is important. Okay. So finally, have a good luck. Okay, and this was
Thank
all
you.
for your interview. So take care.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm recording this. Okay, all of you. So Anushka, I'm addressing you firstly. अभी मैंने लोरी का and अभी मैंने मानसी का mock interview लिया था, ठीक है. So इनका जब सेशन मैं अपलोड करूंगी तो पहले तो आप वहां से ये समझ में आएगा आपको कि किस तरीके से हम इंटरव्यू का सेशन कंडक्ट करते हैं and how you are going to represent yourself. ठीक है अनुष्का?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
और अभी जो मैं डिस्कशन करने वाली हूँ ये एक सेशन काइंड ऑफ है जिसमें आपको ये चीजें समझ में आ जाएंगी कि किन किन चीजों पे आपको तैयारी करनी है एंड प्रैक्टिस करनी है, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
सबसे पहले तो मैं मानसी तुमसे बात करना चाहूंगी. लाइक व्हेन आई वाज टेकिंग योर इंटरव्यू, लेट मी टेल यू, यू वर अमेजिंग, ठीक है. एट द सेम टाइम यू विल बी एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर देम जो कि आफ्टर अ गैप या फिर जो कि आफ्टर अ मैरिज एंड सर्टेन थिंग्स इन देयर लाइफ वापस आना चाहते हैं मैनेजमेंट के लिए, ठीक है. सो आई डोंट थिंक कि मुझे कोई भी फ्लॉज दिखा था आपके इंटरव्यू में. यू हैड एम्पल ऑफ नॉलेज हर फील्ड में, क्योंकि द प्लस पॉइंट इज यू वर बिलोंगिंग टू दैट फील्ड, ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं फैशन आपका फील्ड रहा था, इसलिए आपका नॉलेज वाज वेरी फाइन, वेरी गुड, ठीक है। बट मैं आपको सिर्फ यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं जो कि मैं आपको दे देती हूँ, जिसकी आप प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। टेल मी वंस, आपका इंटरव्यू किस दिन है? व्हाट इज द डेट?
3rd of July.
3rd of July, योर टू, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे किसी का 2nd of July को भी है, आई गेस। लोरी तुम्हारा है ना?
मेरा।
एंड अनुष्का आपका कब है?
Ma'am, 9th of July.
9th of July, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहली चीज, एंड देन आई एम कमिंग टू लोरी, यू योर इंटरव्यू वाज ओके, बट अगर जो मैं टॉपिक्स आपको देने वाली हूँ अभी, आप जब उसके बारे में पढ़ लोगे देन यू विल बी परफेक्ट, ठीक है। आपको सारी चीजें पता चल जाएंगी कि किस टॉपिक पे, लाइक मैंने आपसे पूछा कि व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ मैनेजर, ठीक है, कैसे एमएफएम का डिग्री जब आपको मिल जाएगा देन हाउ आर यू गोना वर्क इन फ्यूचर, ठीक है।
Yes.
तो इन सारे क्वेश्चंस में आपको कैसे रिप्लाई करना है ये मैं आपको बताती हूँ। फर्स्टली एक टॉपिक है विच इज फैशन स्टडीज, ठीक है। प्लीज
Okay.
नोट डाउन दिस and you can find this on your Google. like CBSE ने क्लास 12th के लिए फैशन स्टडीज इंट्रोड्यूस करा है। for this subject is for those students जो कि आगे जाकर के डिजाइनिंग एज अ करियर परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है। wait. So this subject is for those students जो कि आगे जाकर डिजाइनिंग एज अ करियर परस्यू करना चाहते हैं। So इस पूरे फैशन स्टडीज में आपको यू विल गेट certain like words which are related to fashion, like what is haute couture, what is draping, what are silhouettes, ठीक है। तो ये बेसिक फैशन के टर्म्स हैं जो कि आपको पता होने चाहिए, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग फॉर फैशन मैनेजमेंट, ठीक है। अब मैंने दो अलग तरीके से क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे मानसी से, एंड आपसे जो पूछा था वो थोड़ा सिमिलर था बट थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, क्योंकि मानसी वाज बिलोंगिंग टू दैट फील्ड, इसका बैचलर्स फैशन में रहा है, सो ऑटोमेटिकली इसके जो क्वेश्चंस थे वो थोड़े फैशन के फील्ड से आ गए। बट बिकॉज आपका फील्ड इकोनॉमिक्स का रहा था, सो आई वाज मोर फोकस्ड टुवर्ड्स लाइक व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ मैनेजर एंड व्हाट आप एमएफएम के बाद क्या करोगे, व्हाट इज ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशंस एंड कस्टमर कंज्यूमर सर्वे क्या होता है। सो हियर आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, जब आप अपना बैकग्राउंड बताओगे टू द इंटरव्यूअर, लाइक कि आपने अपना बैचलर्स कहाँ से किया है, द क्वेश्चंस विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दैट ओनली, ठीक है। तो ये मत सोचना कि अगर आपको थोड़ा फैशन टर्म्स के बारे में नहीं भी पता है लोरी, देन डू नॉट गेट डिसहार्टेंड, ठीक है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, like this will happen, जैसे अभी आपके साथ हुआ, few questions you were like blank, आपको पता नहीं था कि what would be the answer, तो वहां पे how are you going to react, like very politely and very like honestly just आपको बोलना है sorry sir, I was not having any knowledge on this regard this topic or this field, but I'll make sure I'll gather all the knowledge on this, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से आपको अपने इंटरव्यूअर को एड्रेस करना है, दैट विल शो योर लाइक बैकग्राउंड नॉलेज, और आप लाइक दैट विल इंडिकेट कि आप मैनिपुलेटिव नहीं हो एंड डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं हो। फर्स्ट क्वालिटी, ठीक है, विच इज वेरी वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट, ठीक है। अनुष्का आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। सेकेंडली, राइट डाउन द सेकेंड टॉपिक जिसकी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, दैट इज कलर साइकोलॉजी, ठीक है। एंड जो ये दो टॉपिक्स मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, पहले तो इसकी रिसर्च कर लेना, ठीक है, ऑन गूगल और स्लाइड शेयर एवरीवेयर। अगर आपको इस पे कंटेंट मिलता है वेल एंड गुड, नहीं मिलता है डू लेट मी नो, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द लिंक एंड द टॉपिक्स, ठीक है। सो द सेकेंड टॉपिक इज कलर साइकोलॉजी, एंड राइट डाउन द थर्ड टॉपिक which is role of a product manager, and lastly, how will you contribute to the fashion industry in the field after completing this MFM from NIFT. ठीक है, ये कुछ topics है which is very 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 much important for you guys. इसको practice कर लेना. And I believe कि अभी तक जो basics questions थे, like आपका नाम क्या है and what is the meaning of your name, and then इसी के behalf पे भी get different questions like what was your family background, what was your education background. ठीक है, तो ये questions एक के बाद अपने आप ही accumulate होकर आते हैं through the interviewer. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपको बिल्कुल प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड दिखाना है एंड यू मतलब बहुत ही काल्मली आपको आंसर्स देते चले जाने हैं. ठीक है, आपको रुकना नहीं है. और अगर आप पॉज ले भी रहे हो देन इट शुड बी लाइक, ठीक है, डेविएटिंग फ्रॉम दैट. अगर मान लो कि कोई चीज नहीं आ रही है तो डेविएट द टॉपिक, थोड़ा सा डेविएट कर दो उसको. ठीक है, बट बहुत पॉज, लंबे पॉज एंड ब्लैंक्स नहीं लेने हैं. ठीक है, आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग जो मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, सो अनुष्का, आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप पूछना चाहते हो?
मैम
या टेल मी.
मैम बेसिकली मुझे MFM के बारे में डीपली थ्रोली जानना था. So,
MFM के बारे में, MFM
Yes,
is
ma'am.
all about Masters of Fashion Management. ठीक है,
Okay.
एंड अंडर दिस आप पहले तो अगर बैकग्राउंड नहीं है फैशन का तो आप थोड़ा बहुत फैशन क्या होता है एंड व्हाट इज फैशन साइकिल एंड व्हाट आर फैशन ट्रेंड्स एंड व्हाट आर फैशन फोरकास्ट, ये बेसिक टर्म्स है फैशन के. इसको जान लो, इसको जानना जरूरी है. नहीं पता तो इसको एक बारी लिख लो जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, एंड दैट would help you to address to your interviewers. ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर एंटरिंग दिस फील्ड, बेसिकली आपको पता होगा कि इस फील्ड पे जब आप एंटर करते हो एंड यू कंप्लीट योर 2 years ऑफ मास्टर्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब यू गेट. एंड लिविंग मानसी आपके फ्यूचर प्लान्स अलग हैं तो आपको नहीं मैं इस क्वेश्चन को पुट अप कर रही हूँ, बट लोरी एंड अनुष्का, आफ्टर एंटरिंग दिस फील्ड एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ योर मास्टर्स, व्हाट आर द फील्ड्स यू आर गोइंग टू? डू यू नो what are the fields? Like you will be becoming a manager somewhere or you will be becoming a merchandiser somewhere. ठीक है, do you know what is merchandising? So these are,
मैम it's a business.
yeah, tell me.
Merchandising is basically a business, and yeah, merchandising is basically a business.
No, it's not basically business. ठीक है, पहले तो मैं आपको ये बोलूंगी, it's kind of like merchandising. आप अपने क्लाइंट को जो प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर कर रहे हो एंड द होल क्राइटेरिया ऑन विच द सैम्पल्स आर क्रिएटेड एंड देन गोइंग टू द फाइनल क्लाइंट्स, द होल प्रोसेस इज काइंड ऑफ मर्चेंडाइजिंग. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे कीवर्ड्स हैं, बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि आपको थोड़ा सा स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. डू नॉट गेट पैनिक्ड बिकॉज देखो यही चीज सीखने के लिए यू आर गोइंग टू डू योर मास्टर्स. ठीक है, सो बी वेरी कूल अबाउट इट एंड थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज सेकेंड और थर्ड को आपका इंटरव्यू है तो थोड़ा सा इस पर रिसर्च कर लो. आई विल ट्राई दैट आई गो एंड अपलोड ऑल दोज लिंक्स जिसपे आपको एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लेनी है, विच विल बी वेरी मच हेल्पफुल बिफोर लाइक यू अपीयर फॉर योर इंटरव्यू. ठीक है, मानसी आपको कुछ पूछना है मुझसे?
यस मैम. मैम आज मैंने वो कपड़े पहने थे जो मुझे PI में पहनने हैं, राइट? लेकिन मेरा डाउटफुल था कि आई शुड वेयर दिस और नॉट, बिकॉज मेरे पास वेस्टर्न फॉर्मल्स भी हैं, तो आई वांट टू आस्क, आई शुड वेयर दिस?
Yeah, of course you should wear this because that created a very good impact on me and my eyes too. And which मतलब जिसके वजह से मैंने आपसे वो क्वेश्चन पूछा कि what is the brand you are wearing and what is the kind of clothing you are wearing, and on that behalf जो आपने मुझे आंसर दिया, that showed your knowledge of fashion sense. ठीक है, along with जो कि आपने मुझे बताया कि सस्टेनेबल डिजाइन एंड जो वीविंग पे बेस्ड था वो, तो that created a major impact on my mind and that will create a major impact on the interviewer's mind. So give them a chance so that they go and ask you these kind of questions, and you need to, and you got to display your talent and your like forte on that. ठीक है?
Yeah, that's why I wore this dress,
Yeah.
kurta.
So, yeah. सिमिलरली
one
लोरी,
more.
मैं आपको भी यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि ऐसी चीज लाइक ऐसे ड्रेस करना खुद को, like people gets attracted towards you, not in a bad sense, but formals में भी बहुत varieties आते हैं. Formals is not only trousers and t-shirt and pants. Formals is the salwar suit and that formal kurti, the blank, the बिल्कुल plain kurti जो होती है, that also is considered as a like formals. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि ये डिजाइनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है, go and wear these kind of dresses so that the interviewer gets to ask these kind of question on that behalf. ठीक है, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. I have few questions.
Yeah, tell me. Give me
Like
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I was not very clear that what was the role of product manager, but anyhow, I narrated and manipulated the answer.
See,
So can you please tell me?
yeah, bilkul. I would love to tell you. 1 minute. Like role of a product manager, ठीक है? His job includes ensuring that product supports the fashion. ठीक है? Like कंज्यूमर किस बिहाफ पे प्रोडक्ट को चूज करे, एंड वो जो मैनेजर है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, वो उसके सेटिस्फैक्शन को डिलीवर कर पाए. सबसे प्राइम ऑब्जेक्टिव यही होता है किसी प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर का. ठीक है, अगेन he looks after the entire development and production process of a company's product, whether it is women's wear, whether it is men's wear, children's wear, or any kind of fashion accessories, footwear or lingeries. ठीक है, so ये आपको 2 से 3 पॉइंट्स में ही बताना है, आपको बहुत एग्जैजरेट नहीं करना है. ठीक है, एंड दोस 2 to 3 points would be very much impactful. ठीक है, that will automatically answer the queries of your interviewer. ठीक है, again the job role of a product manager in the fashion industry is to watch and review the commercial trends to determine the best methods to make the product or service marketplace profitable to the fashion retail company. ठीक है, ये सारे पॉइंट्स है. अब देखो, if you are coming from that commerce का background, you might have studied these type of topics in your business studies. ठीक है, एंड थोड़ा सा जो बच्चे साइंस बैकग्राउंड को बिलोंग करते हैं ना, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है आफ्टर गोइंग इनटू दिस मैनेजमेंट का फील्ड. सो ये बेसिक चीजें हैं, दिस इज नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ रॉकेट साइंस. आप चाहो तो इसको बेसिकली पॉइंट वाइज लिख सकते हो और सर्च कर सकते हो एक बारी. ठीक है, सो दैट यू गेट so that you do not go lack of words in front of your interviewer. ठीक है, बहुत सारे ample of words होने चाहिए ताकि आप उनको अपने thought process को explain कर सको. ठीक है, तो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे कि टिल द इंटरव्यू, उस डेट तक अगर आपको कोई भी दिक्कत होती है, एनी काइंड ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, kindly let me know on this very video which I'll be uploading there itself. ये आपके ही आपके ही कंफ्यूजन्स को एंड क्वेरीज को सॉल्व नहीं करेगा, बल्कि जो ये वीडियो ऑल ओवर इंडिया बच्चे देख रहे होंगे उनके भी क्वेरीज को सॉल्व करेगा. ठीक है, लोरी आपको कुछ पूछना है?
हाँ मैम, वो इन अ प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑफ योर्स आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि how do you extend, if you have an Indian brand, how do you extend it internationally? So I wanted to know about
see,
that.
Again, this will go on that 3 points. First one is the consumer survey, second one is the market research, and the third one is geographical indications. ठीक है, कहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट आप सेट करने वाले हो, वहां के लोग कैसे हैं, क्या उस प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड है उनको, ये सब कुछ जस्टिफाई करेगा आपका वो ब्रांड सेटअप होने के पहले. ठीक है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू एनी रिमोट एरिया, एनी विलेज, ठीक है, एंड आई एम सेटिंग माय ब्रांड ऑफ लाइक वन पीसेस देयर. कोई खरीदेगा?
So it won't work. हाँ.
No one will buy ना. So it depends कि geographical condition क्या है वहाँ की, market क्या है, and कंज्यूमर कौन से हैं, मतलब क्या वो मिडिल क्लास है, क्या वो एलीट क्लास है, क्या वो कोई पुअर सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी है, बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन है, ये सारी चीजें डिपेंड करती है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज सेड कि पूरी रिसर्च एंड प्लानिंग के बाद ही आप कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हो मार्केट में, लेट इट बी इंडिया और आउटसाइड. ठीक है.
Okay.
So guys, lastly, I would like to know all your reviews regarding this session. So Mansi, firstly, tell me your experience.
Ma'am, it was really good, and I really liked the way the mock was conducted, and it was very professional, by the way, and I got to know the areas where I have to improve, and your feedback was really valuable for me.
Okay, thank you. And Lori?
Thank you.
Same here. Actually, I was pretty clueless because I had no idea of like from where to start or what to study and all of that. So I think this is the first mock interview regarding the MFM course. So I think it was the most helpful thing. And yeah, it definitely showed me like what else I need to know for the interview. So that's why. Thank you.
That's great to hear. Anushka?
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah, Anushka.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay, Anushka. I'll get back to her later. Mansi and Lori, I would like to end this session for you. I know आपके और भी काम होंगे, so you can go and work there. ठीक है. And I'll
Ma'am,
be
actually, I want to.
On the YouTube. I think today's evening शायद मैं तभी अपलोड करूँ, तो ये वीडियो देखना एंड वहाँ पे जाकर के अपने वैल्यूएबल कमेंट्स देना, सो दैट मोर स्टूडेंट्स गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस वीडियो एंड दे गेट टू लर्न कि कैसे उनको इस इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. ठीक है. टिल देन, टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय लोरी एंड बाय बाय मानसी.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.
Okay. Yeah, Anushka, tell me, am I audible to you now or not? Am I not audible, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am audible. Ma'am,
You are audible. So please tell me about your experience.
Ma'am, it was so awesome. And yeah, it's my first mock test, so I don't have so much idea about that.
Don't
And
worry,
the way
Anushka.
you are teaching, it's very good.
Thank you so much for your appreciation. And Anushka,
It's so helpful for me. Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. अनुष्का, कोई भी दिक्कत होती है आगे टिल योर इंटरव्यू, कॉन्टैक्ट मी थ्रू माय ईमेल और कॉल मी. ठीक है. आई बी गाइडिंग यू देयर. और जो मैंने टॉपिक्स आपको बताए हैं, डू गो एंड प्रिपेयर ऑन दैट. ठीक है. यू विल बी फाइन विद द इंटरव्यू. ठीक है.
Ma'am, where I'm Ma'am, it's a fashion study and color psychology, role of product manager.
Color psychology. It's about what are the key role of a manager and what will be your future after completion of your MFM. ठीक है. And there are many more questions like what is color, what is fashion cycle, what are trends, what are fashion forecast. ठीक है. तो I think I'll put this these set of questions after this video. ठीक है. एक स्लाइड में डाल दूंगी, तो आपको हेल्प हो जाएगा कि किस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पे आपको प्रिपेयर कर लेना है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
सो
ये सारे क्वेश्चंस मुझे गूगल पे मिल जाएंगे ना?
होपफुली. वैसे तो ये मेरे प्रिपेयर किए हुए हैं, बिकॉज MFM में क्या पूछा जाता है ये आई हैड नॉलेज. ठीक है. तो ऑल्दो यू विल गेट ऑन गूगल टू. ठीक है. बट इसको कैसे आपको बोलना है एंड कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, बस आपको ये आना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो गो एंड स्टडी अबाउट इट. ठीक है. डू स्टडी अबाउट.
Okay, ma'am.
सो ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू एंड दिस सेशन हियर. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
बाय बाय.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.
बाय.
Bye.
So guys, how was the video? What do you think? Will you get any advantage from this video or do you need more details? So do let me know through your comments on email, Facebook, Instagram, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications, updates and classes. Bye bye guys. Take care. All the best for your interview. Tata.